Hi, this is Chinmayi. Today I'm going to be explaining to you on how you can use appliances, electrical appliances that you buy in America safely in India. So let me take you right in.
Hey, this is Chinmayi.
Put it onto your face. Put it on. Okay, this is a really heavy piece of equipment. This is the whatever brand Maxine step down auto transformer for 750 watts. So okay, this is becoming a little tough to hold in one hand and also hold in both hands. So I'm going to keep this down and explain how exactly this works. So several years ago I brought the KitchenAid stand mixer, which is the 6-quart professional 500, I think it's called, down to India. And I took the appliance. It's a very heavy piece of equipment, but I took it to the local electric shop and they gave me this particular 750 watt step down transformer, which basically converts the 220 volt electric power into 110 volts, which can be consumed by this particular electrical appliance. And other electrical appliances that needed the same 110 volts, I have been safely using the same step down transformer. So if you have a hair dryer or smaller wattage appliances, I'm sure you don't need such a heavy piece of step down transformer. And also, since this is 10 years ago, I'm sure and I hope there have been changes, and I have a very expert Mr. Shankar, who's just sitting right behind the camera, who's nodding his head saying yes, more advanced pieces of step down transformers have come into the market. So what you could do is, if you're thinking of buying anything like a blender or a juicer, or even simple pieces like a hair dryer that run in the American 110 volts, you can easily take it to a local electrical shop and they will give you a step down transformer with which you can easily and safely use your appliance for however long that you want to. And this is exactly how I use American appliances in India. And that's that. I hope that helped you. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them. Until I see you next time, this is Chinmayi saying ta 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 ta.